Hey guys, welcome to my channel KTS. Today I'm going to show you guys how to rotate a JPEG in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to open up Premiere Pro and then I'm going to select new project. When this icon pops up, I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to name it JPEG underscore rotation. And then I'm going to select OK. So now I'm going to bring a .png file, which is a picture image, and I'm going to bring it to the bottom left of the screen. After that, I'm going to move it to the right, which is the timeline. And then I'm going to select that picture and I'm going to go to the right where effects is, and then video effects, perspective, and then basic 3D. Now I'm going to bring that basic 3D and move it to the left where effects control is. And then I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to select the keyframe where swivel is located. Then I'm going to move the timeline all the way to the end of the JPEG. And then after that, I'm going to type in 360 to add another keyframe. So that way it's going to rotate 360 degrees. Then bring it back to move the keyframe to the front and then play it. And there you go. That's how you rotate a JPEG picture in Premiere Pro. In addition, if you guys want to see this as a full screen, press the Delta key. And then once you're done, press the Delta key back again and it brings it back to normal screen. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave comments of what you think about the video.